working in Saudi Arabia, inside the mosque, the women's mosque. Today we have received sadaqah from one of our Muslim sisters, and I want to show you how we always arrange water when someone brings water to the mosque. So what I have received today, then we want to put in the fridge. As simple as that. We received 3 cartons, so we always use 1 carton in a day. And then down here for the kids, because kids cannot reach here, some here for the small babies put here. Then we turn this.